Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows 10 device is stuck on when you try to restart your computer. So if you try to restart your computer and it's just showing the spinning animation is just spinning and spinning. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So when is your Windows 10 is stuck like that, you just have to hold your Windows and X key at the same time. Then you just have to press the power button. After press the power button, it will shut down your computer, and then you just have to press the power button again, and then it will start your computer again. And after some moments it will show you a recovery option, and you have to choose the C advanced repair option here, and then you have to choose turn off your PC. So click on turn off your PC, then it will again shut down your computer, and then you just have to again press your power button. Then it will normally start your computer and the problem will be fixed. The restarting the stuck on your restarting problem will be fixed. So hopefully you found this video helpful. So try this method to solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.